up, guys? So today we're going to be doing a long form video. I know I usually make like shorts and everything, but not today. So we're going to be doing a review of the firework gun. We're going to be buying that today and testing it out. So today we're doing a video of paintball. And make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video, and enjoy. So I've been playing for like past 2 or 3 hours. It's been like 3 days I've been saving up. I just recently got back to this game. Wait, where is everybody? I've done the same map in the same server like 7 times in a row. So like I'm forgetting that even if they're shooting the same color, they're not on my team because this is finally a different map. Right, where is he or she? And yes, I am playing on mobile. There's 2 people. Killed one of them. One just got killed at him. Someone's got him back. What the heck? Where'd that guy pop up from? Comment down what's your favorite part of the video and what gun I should buy next in Big Paintball. I will be posting more content recently. I haven't been posting a lot because I've been like very tired and being at school. But it's finally my school break. It's been like 9 weeks since I last posted anything. And I did do a long form video, which was $10 firework versus $10 firework versus $100 firework. They were all made, and it was celebrating the end of the semester. But it did get demonetized. It was shut down for some reason, apparently because of safety. But that was sick. Why is there that thing literally spawned on me? Today I finally got my first ever time launching a nuke, 100 kills. And I kept on getting like 100 kills, I got it like 3 times in a row. No, not 3, like 4 or 5 times in a row. Because like we did the same map like 6 times in a row. But how? I swear that it's a hack. That guy's gotta be a hack. The drones are kind of useful and they're kind of useful and useless at the same time. I swear somebody's right there. Right. And comment down what other kind of videos I should be making and what not to make. And I'll try my hardest to make more videos and long form videos. If you like my craft videos, I've been doing a 100 days video. I've been doing 100 days worlds. I haven't been recording from the beginning, but yeah, I can continue on because I've only gotten through 15 days of it, not a lot. But I am on mobile, so I have to get a mod pack for hardcore, so it's not the 36 minutes of a day and then 36 minutes night time like normal, but still hardcore mode, hard difficulty. If I die, I'll lose my whole entire world. I just need 8 more kit. I'm first place right now. And this is gonna pop out and I'm gonna kill them, or somebody's gonna kill me from behind or something. Is she blind? I think the human is blind. That person's gotta be Oh my god! How did that person... Hold up. get killed. Wait. Please make sure to subscribe, drop a big thumbs up, and just enjoy the video. Die. Hello. Bye bye. Don't need to kill a lot more people. Man, I don't really like doing free fall. I usually my favorite maps are probably Classic, Nuketown, Bridge, 2021 Bridge. Those are like my favorites because like I know places to spawn kills the living soul out of everybody. Like they can't even do anything about it. I don't really like free fall. Free fall is probably one of the maps that I really actually hate. Okay, let's just hope I can get like a bunch of kills in the next 5 minutes so that I can get the first cage twice again. I don't know, I've been trying to decide if I want to get the unicorn gun or this gun. Some people say unicorn, some people say firework. Right, but I'm going to make a short 15-second review of the firework gun. So, alright, die. Kill. Demolish. Alright. If you want, I'll show you my hardcore world. If you like Minecraft videos, I can make that. If you like Roblox videos, I can make that. I'll play more games on Roblox. You just comment down which ones that your favorite are. Yes, I still need 4K. Yes. No! Right. I'm still first. Just come and go to the next map. Right. Campsite. Why are there only free fall and King of the Hill? Why are there only goddamn ones? Oh my god! Load right now. Alright. Also, I just need to hit 50k subs. That is my goal. I really hope you guys can help me hit 50,000 subscribers. And I'd really be happy if I could, because then I could start doing live streams. We're winning. Gotta kill some of them. Alright. I just died. Killed. Sammy boy. Kill him, whatever the heck that is. Alright. Hell no! They're winning! Alright, we're still gonna win. I don't care. We're going to win. We are going to win. I have said it, so that's gonna happen. And I meant it. Yeah, what did I say? Who the heck is Bob 456? Alright, we're winning currently. Killed the hill. Sweet human beings. We're winning again. Right. Killed somebody with my campfire. Again. Was my campfire. Took me 2 more days. We can do this. Kill those 2 human beings. The hill concentrated. How did that guy get there? What the? Dang it, they're winning again. Can't let that happen. This can't be happening. Are you serious? Oh my god. Yo, I'm gonna hide kill spawn everybody. Well, goddamn, get out of here, man. Oh my god! Alright, we just need like 4 or 5 more kills. Get him killed. Die. Just die! Die! Well, die! Boy, I will find you. Hello, humans! This human is very annoying. Very annoying. He's so annoying. Bro, this guy's very annoying. Two more kills. 3 triples, like 4. I don't give a damn if we win or not. I don't care at this point. I just want that Yep. Okay. This is the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Ah! No. Right. Automatic. I hope this is a good. I think that paint gun is quite better. Right. Let's try to kill somebody with this. I like that this is an automatic. Cool, that has great range. Alright, range on it is pretty good. Kills a bunch of people. Alright. We'll wrap it right there. Drop a huge thumbs up. Like the video. And bye bye guys.